If you're afraid to do deadlifts because they hurt your back, you need to do this exercise before the next time you try and do deadlifts. A lot of people struggle with deadlifts because they over-recruit their glute max muscle, which is a muscle at the lower back, at the top of the hips, and they don't work properly through their hamstrings. So this is a great exercise to try if you find after you do deadlifts, you get back pain around here, so band leg pain across the back, or like if you simply feel like you have tight hamstrings. So we're gonna start off with this exercise and we're just gonna go hands behind the back. Then from there, we're gonna soften the knees. Then we push the bum back and up. And as we do that, we should now start to feel a stretch through our hamstrings. If you're still feeling in the lower back, you can stand back up, straighten the arms. So we're gonna engage the lats, which is a really important lower back stabilizer. Then we're gonna stretch back again. And so pushing the bum back and up, now we should start to feel that stretch through the hamstring. As we push the bum back and up, you'll feel the weight shift into your heels slightly. And the trick is, if as we come back up out of this deadlift, we keep that weight pressure in our heels, we will over-recruit our glute max and our lower back instead of using our glutes or hamstrings to pull us up. And so a nice trick for this is as you come back up, get back onto your tippy toes. And as you get onto your tippy toes, you are now using your hamstrings to pull your bum under rather than using your glute max to pull your back up. Give it a go. Let us know how you find this. This has been a game changer for us. If you would like more help with your back pain, have you checked out our top 3 lower back exercises for back pain? All you have to do is comment back in the comments below and we will shoot you our free ebook to help get on top of your back pain.